Hi guys, I got a multi-tool here to show you. It's an Ozark Trail multiforce. It's like a Leatherman Wave clone. I got my daughter Madison Newland here. She's got a channel, go check her out. So you get your sheath in the box. It's got a nice snap to it. Plastic belt clip. Here's the knife. You got your standard knife. It's got a nice belt clip to it. I meant not belt clip, pocket clip. And they all lock in. Mine are locked. Then you got your file, diamond file on the back. Then you got your serrated knife. Your saw back. Of course, your pliers. They're not spring assisted. You got your bit driver. Comes with a Phillips and a flathead. And it comes with, in the package, a bit driver extension. And they all lock in. And then on the other side, you got your scissors. Okay. Kind of like a flathead screwdriver, maybe a little pry tool. Bottle opener. Yeah, and that's about it. Seems to work pretty good. And yeah, you have anything to add?
No. Oh yeah, like and subscribe to my channel and my dad's.
Alright guys, have a good one. Bye.